Hi everybody, welcome back. It is that time of the month to go ahead and unbox Sephora Play. If you're unfamiliar with Sephora Play, it is a monthly subscription service brought to you from Sephora. It's $10 per month. You're going to receive 5 beauty sample items, deluxe size sample items. These are going to be brands that you can find at Sephora stores. And also they're going to throw in a bonus item. Sometimes it's a perfume, sometimes it's a foil packet. All comes to you. Again, $10 a month. I'll leave a link down below if you would like to get signed up to get this. But without further ado, let's unbox it. So each month when you open it up, it's going to be like this. It's going to have your card on the top. This is your playbook. It's going to give you like tips and tricks on how to use the things in the bag. It's also going to tell you everything that is included in your play, as well as tips and tricks on how to use that. Also cute little puns that I have to read. Also on the front here, this little guy here is what's called your Play Pass. When you take this into Sephora stores and make a purchase, you will receive an additional 50 Beauty Insider points towards your account. And so this is this month's bag. This is really cute. It's like a denim bag with a shoestring on it. It says Play on the front by Sephora. And so this month's theme is beauty goals, and it's beauty goals then versus beauty goals now. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to dump it out. I kind of like to do that. First thing I see on top is the perfume sample. So we're going to go ahead and get that out of the way because I'm not really a big perfume fan. This month's perfume sample is Flower Bomb by Viktor & Rolf. I just recently got this one not too long ago, so I'm definitely going to be passing this one on. But I'll go ahead and read you the little pun and let you know about it. This month's bonus, it's The Bomb. Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb. This warm and spicy fragrance is like a bouquet of sweet flowers mixed with deep, woody notes. Next up, it is so funny that I got this because I actually just opened this one up because my full size just ran out. I'm never mad to have some of these on deck. It is the Kat Von D tattoo liner in the shade Trooper, which is just your basic black. This is definitely one of my favorites. This is a holy grail status eyeliner, so I am glad to get another one of these. Budge Poof Brilliance. Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper. A waterproof liquid eyeliner with a superfine brush tip that goes on smooth. Next up, this is from the Sephora collection. This is a mud mask purifying and mattifying with zinc and copper. Definition of detox. The Sephora collection mud mask purifying and mattifying, a detoxifying mud mask that clarifies skin with zinc and copper. So it's definitely a mud mask. It's very gray in color. It has a very powerful scent. Kind of smells like dirt a little bit, so definitely can smell the clay in there. So I'm definitely excited to give this one a try. I love a mask. I like them in all shapes, forms, and sizes, so definitely excited to give this one a try. Next up, this is from Bumble & Bumble. This is Thickening Spray Pre-Styler Unrivaled Volume. Bumble & Bumble Thickening Volume Hairspray. A setting spray that extends your style, lifts at the roots, and adds major volume. So this is more kind of like a hairspray. It's really kind of thick in here though. Like I wouldn't have assumed that it was just like a hairspray. It's definitely kind of smells like a hairspray. There's definitely some alcohol in that going on in here, but it also does have a nice little fragrance. So I will definitely be giving this one a try. I usually prefer an aerosol just because it's lighter, but if this says it's going to have volume, then we will definitely try it out. Next up is the Benefits Professional Prep Perfection. Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Face Primer. An oil-free priming balm that minimizes the look of pores and controls shine all day. I have used this before. I'm not the hugest fan of Professional just because it likes to pill up on my skin. Other than that, it's a fantastic pore filling primer. It's just that I prefer other ones more. I prefer the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. I will probably pass this one along or throw in an upcoming giveaway, but it's not because I don't think this is a good product, because I do think it's a good product. And our last little thing in here, oh, it's from Becca. It is a mini champagne glow. Oh no, mine looked like it got a little bumbled in transport, but not bad. Should have put this in bubble wrap. It was just kind of like floating around in the box. Bad, Sephora, bad. Best in Glow. Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter in Champagne Pop. A creamy pressed powder highlighter in a pearlescent gold shade with peach undertones. That is a very pretty color. I don't own Champagne Pop. I have Opal, but I have never had Champagne Pop. I don't know why. I have so many highlights, you know, after a while they just all start looking the same. But I am excited to give this one a go, and it is pretty. And so that is it. That is everything that came this month in my Play by Sephora. I'm really excited. I definitely am never mad to have a backup of this whatsoever. I am definitely into trying out this mud mask because I love a good mask. The Root Volumizing Spray or Volumizing Hairspray has really got me intrigued to see if it does what it says. Definitely excited to really put Champagne Pop to the test. I don't know, guys, maybe have I been missing out on something? The only other things that I really wasn't like over the moon for or really excited to try was the Victor Raw Flower Bomb. That's because I'm a perfume snob, so it's nothing against Sephora and the Professional, just because I don't particularly like this product. It is a very, like I said, good product. It just doesn't work on me. Once again, I of course want to thank you for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. Make sure, of course, that before you leave that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.